Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's decorate this Christmas tree in blue and silver colors. To decorate this tree, I used 3 peaks and they are very nice silver glittery color. This blue ribbon, some blue ornaments and some silver ornaments. This tinsel stems, this silver Christmas tree garland, two packets of this garland, I started with the tree topper. I used these 3 peaks to make a tree topper and then cut the ribbon in 2 feet and 3 feet and then made a loop and wrapped it around the tree. And at each and every loop I hang this silver and blue color ornaments. I made the group of 2 or 3 silver and blue ornaments and I hang them wherever the gaps were. And then wrapped Christmas tree garland from the top using those tinsel stems. And the same way I hanged that silver beads garland. For all the garlands and ribbons, I started from the top and wrapped all over the tree. I had some silver flowers which I just put wherever I found the gaps. And I put this white Christmas village under the tree. That house and church is lighted and this small lighted tree. I made group of 2 or 3 silver and blue ornaments, and as I said, I hang them at every loop and wherever the gaps were in the trees. So this is the final result. Hope you all like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and thank you so much for watching. Have happy holidays and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Take care and bye-bye.